welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. Love this car. It's actually an older restoration. Car was done in 2006. I guess it's not that old, but I mean it's 15 years. But very well maintained, guys. It is an original Super Sport. 327 underneath the hood. It's supposed to be the matching numbers engine. Guys, somebody's decked the block over the years, so there's no numbers on the front of the block, so there's no way to guarantee that. Very cool color combination. The car, this is Riverside red. The car was factory Polymer red, which is a darker red, but I'll tell you what it's got. It's a factory silver interior. I've never seen that. Of course, they've lowered it down, put some 18 and 20 inch Americans all the way around it. It's really nice car, done right. I believe it has all the original body panels still on it. Like I say, a color combination that I have never seen. I can't say I've ever had a silver interior in one of these cars, so that's got to be very rare. But really nice car. Runs and drives excellent. Good solid, it's Kentucky cars, good solid Kentucky body. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. Sorry about the pollen, that's just what we're dealing with right now. But good car. Paint slick. Again, the car was restored in 2006. Pretty car. This corner was sticking up a little bit. If you kind of give it a little push there. Pretty car. Glass is nice. And like I say, I've never seen that, guys. I mean, in all the years I've been doing this, I've never seen a factory silver interior. The color was a darker red. Matter of fact, it was a two-tone. It was polymer red with a silver. So, and they just changed. This is a stock 64 Impala color. It's Riverside red is what it is. Pretty car. The car's got a great look. Like I said, they've lowered it down all the way around a little bit. These are original. You can see all that trim there is original. Still in nice shape. You can pick it a little bit. Car's only got 50-some thousand miles on it. See, it's nice and straight down the sides. 18 and 20 inch American Racing wheels with ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Bumpers are nice. Those are the three-piece bumpers. They definitely replaced those. That's a lot of cars to be straight like that, man. It's telling you something. It has gotten almost impossible for me to find these Impalas. Started really a couple years ago. These things just, man, they're hard to find. They've converted to front disc brakes. That trim and stainless on the side is really nice. 327 Edelbrock 4-barrel stock intake. It's got headers on it, power steering. Again, converted to power front disc brakes, chrome air cleaner, finned aluminum valve covers. It does have the original trans. It's got a Proform electronic HEI distributor in it. This is actually an aluminum radiator. Of course, it's got the stock shroud. Really hits the road good. Yeah, you guys missed a couple spots on the wheels there. Pretty paint. Like I say, this trim is really nice. They've definitely had to replace that. Factory padded dash. Sorry, that's all those little things flying around out here right now. Look how nice that stainless is. 8-pillar chrome's nice, couple little spots to pick at. It's got the bow tie mirrors. Bet you this is original and it's nice. Those gotta be new. New door rubbers. You can see the bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. This, like I say, I can't say I've ever seen it. That silver interior just blew me away. I loved it. Doors are nice and clean. Bucket seats, console, factory steering wheel. Headliner's nice. 59,533 is supposed to be your right miles. They figured about 6,000 miles actually on the restoration. Aftermarket radio. The blower motor does work. It's got the original owner's manuals in the glove box. Dual exhaust, factory rear end, no big gear or anything like that. Like a 323 or something. Stone back there. Got the factory jack with the spare in the trunk. It's all spackle coated in here like it should be. This is just some stuff on it. I think it's got an owner's or a shop manual in there, and then I think he put the disc brake conversion kit and some other little things in there. Nice car. Like I say, man, it started a couple years ago with these Impalas, man. They have just, like I say, gone a little crazy. Gotten real hot. Car's clean underneath. They didn't do a frame off or anything like that. It was a body up resto. A couple little lift marks in your paint. Notice that one right there. Again, I wouldn't mess with it. You don't really see it unless you're looking for it. Nice car, pretty car. New sill plates. Look how nice the jams are. They've definitely redone this interior. Even a little cold light in the dash, when you start this thing up, that little cold light comes on. That little, you're gonna see that one little thing hanging down there, that's the blower. We gotta slide that back up in that little piece. But it works, blower motor and everything works. Yeah, they definitely replaced those. This stainless, like I say, is nice. It's got the bow tie mirrors. That 8-pillar chrome is nice. Runs and drives great, guys. Good car. Pretty underneath the hood. I like how they got it lowered down a little bit. Car's just got a killer look to it. Oh yeah, little cold light still working. Fuel gauge works. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, the reverse lights do work. You just... Car just hits the road great. It's condensation, guys. It looks pretty. It's a little chilly today. Radio works. Again, blower motor works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Tell me that's not a good looking car right there. Have a great day, guys.